Mola Mola. Ocean sunfish, there's nothing like me. The most amazing fish that you ever did see. I'm the ocean sunfish, hello Chaola. Yeah, I'm also known as the Mola Mola, the biggest bony fish in the world by weight. People say I look like a giant dinner plate. What? One fin on top and one below. I steer with my tail and I move real slow. 2 miles an hour is my top speed, but I also like to float just like seaweed. When I was a baby, I looked real cool. Looked like a son and I swam in a school. To protect ourselves, we grouped together. Now I swim alone, it's much better. Ocean sunfish, there's nothing like me. The most amazing fish that you ever did see.
The Mola Mola is an omnivore.
No matter what I eat, I always want more. Zooplankton, algae, small fish, but a jellyfish is my favorite dish. Got sticky, icky goo on my skin. It protects me from their nasty sting. But when it comes to orca, sharks, and sea lions, if I said I wasn't scared, man, I'd be lying. Smaller fish and gulls help me with my hygiene. They eat my parasites and keep me clean. I like to sunbathe at the top of the sea. Sunny side up, that's where you'll find me. Ocean sunfish, there's nothing like me. The most amazing fish that you ever did see. Mola Mola, y'all. Ocean sunfish, there's nothing like me. Mola Mola, the most amazing fish that you ever did see. We out. Mola Mola. Ocean sunfish, there's nothing like